What up, what up, what up? Working on the SS. I gotta check engine light for O2 sensor. You gonna need you. I recommend a breaker bar. I definitely recommend I recommend a pick tool, and I got both the sockets, you know. I got the long one specifically for O2 sensors. I got the short one. Sometimes these come in handy, sometimes they don't. I definitely recommend an extractor, a 22 millimeter extractor, just in case you strip everything. See, it's the real deal. It's the SS. So what you gotta do, you gotta drop the exhaust. Just getting held on by a bunch of hangers. Let me show you. Just these type of hangers, they're all over the place. Some are already to the car. Just pay attention. You remember how they came off. You know what I'm saying? So jack the car up a little bit. I'm on the dyno ramps, as you see. You come down here. This is why you need to lower the exhaust, because it's impossible to have any room up in there. So you come in here. You know what I'm saying? Get that out. You know what I'm saying? So come down there. Get the new one. Hold up. You know what I'm saying? Get your new one. Do a size comparison. Make sure putting in what came out. You know what I'm saying? Come in here. Put the new one on. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you always turn it to the left first, so it can catch the threads. Don't just put it in and start going to work, because you can be cross-threading it. So always go left a little bit. There you go. Wrap that wire around, whatever. Shoot, you could probably just go ahead and connect that wire, but let me go ahead and yeah, so just you take your 22 millimeter socket and just slowly go in there, and then, you know what I'm saying, bottom it out so that way, you know, you gotta worry about it. Connect that connector, which is right here, just right there at the top. That's why I recommend that little pick tool, so that way when you try to pull this up, you see it's getting blocked. You see it's getting blocked by the ears. So that way you use that little needle nose or pick tool to get that out, to get the connector, or you can just go through this little slot right here with the pick tool. Go through that little slot, and then you can just slowly release it. What you're doing, you're putting that pick tool right underneath this part, and that way it opens that up, and then you can just pull out. But yeah, if y'all didn't know how to get this out, definitely gotta recommend taking that exhaust off. It helps out a lot. Look how much room you got. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and button this up. Comment if you have any questions. All right.